guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to teleport with variables in Minecraft Python. So what you're going to do first is you're going to want to open up your Minecraft launcher. Now we're going to open our Minecraft tools and click Start Server. I'm going to wait 20 seconds for this to start. And while that's happening, we're going to minimize our screen. Now we're going to open up our Minecraft. Now we're going to open up our IDLE. Go to multiplayer, wait for this to start. Okay, now it's done. Oh shoot. Let's restart that because I accidentally exited out. Starting. Okay, now that's done. Reconnect. Okay. Now that we're joined, then we're gonna put from mcpi.minecraft import Minecraft mc equals Minecraft dot create. Wait, should we do that? I forgot to put the last. I'm gonna put the little beginning and end marks. And we're gonna put x equals 10, y equals 110, z equals 12. Now to show you that this works, hold on. To show you how this works, okay, you see me on the ground. Now I'm a little bit here. Now we're gonna put mc.player dot set title pos x y z. Close it. Enter. And now we're really high up and we're falling. Now just a few seconds ago we were in this hole. And now we are over here. And that's how you teleport with variables in Minecraft Python. Bye!